Hello everyone. In this lesson, I will tell you what a get option at index is. To work, we need a ComboBox string to display the resulting value on the screen. Let's create several elements in the array in designer mode. For example, A, B, C, D. In the selected option field, you can write the name of the default option. Go to the Graph tab. The get option at index function is needed to get and interact with elements in the array. We find the get option at index function in our variable. Return value can be converted to text or switch string. We also create an integer for index. Let's enter element 1. This is the letter B. Element 2 is the letter C, etc. That's the end of the lesson. You can support the channel by following the links in the description.